Nandito na rin si Rick J with his pimples. Come on, Pimple Man. Come on, Pimple Man. Ayan, online si Pimple Man, ladies and gentlemen.
Triumphant once again, we coming to win. We emerge from the rubble, still clutching a pen. Nothing can kill.
Howdy, folks. We got a video up in here. It's a vlog. I just woke up, mga kaunggoy, ng mga 4 PM ata yun. And I feel fresh as a daisy, ladies and gentlemen. I feel fresh as a flower dahil dun. It was a long-ass sleep. Napakahaba ng tulog ko. And I feel fresh as a daisy. I feel like I can punch a mountain. And that mountain would just... basta, sasabog yung mountain pag sinapak ko. Alrighty! It is I, Manong Jaire, back at it again with a brand new vlog. It's a vlog, ladies and gentlemen. Anong vlog to? It's a vlog. Ang tatawagin natin sa mga vlogs na ganito is QV o VQ. QV, VQ, basta. QV na lang.
Napinitan ka ng tubig, Mars? Hi!
Quarantine vlogs, ladies and gentlemen. Mga vlogs to.
Tingin?
Basically, mga vlogs to during quarantine, mga kaunggoy. Dito lang yun sa bahay. Ano naman magagawa nyo para maging entertaining yung vlog na to? I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna do a lot of things here in this house. Kahit wala masyadong gagawin, we're gonna do a lot of things here. Merong home workout montage, no? Home workout montage. At meron din ginawang montage si Rick J dun sa sa place nila, HQ, whatever. But we can't formally start this vlog, mga kaunggoy. Actually, hindi dapat ako mag-isa dito para sa intro na ito. Dapat kasama tong yung batang to. This guy right here. Where the hell is this guy? Nasan ka na, Rick J? Rick J, nasan ka na? Yung intro na to, dapat kasama si Rick J. Since hindi pa siya sumasagot or whatever, ewan ko ano ginagawa niya. I think he's still on Pornhub or whatever. Ewan ko, basta nanonood ata siya, nagmamarathon ata siya sa Pornhub. Okay, let's start this vlog. And together, kahit ako lang mag-isa, we are J Planet Squad! Rick J, ikaw mag-roll intro. Ayan, o. My God! Ang init, mga kaunggoy, pero you know, the show must go on, ladies and gentlemen. At last! Alrighty! Nandito na rin si Rick J with his pimples. And tatawagin natin siya ngayon. Come on, Pimple Man! Come on, Pimple Man! Ayan, online si Pimple Man, ladies and gentlemen. Nag-workout ka ba? Tanong ko.
Parang hindi.
Pero tanongin mo ako, nag-workout ba ako?
Nag-workout ka ba, pre?
Nag-workout ba ako? Eto, montage.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning, there ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it.
Alrighty. I want to take this time para lang may pag-usapan akong topic or whatever. This is just out of the blue, na alala ko lang bigla mga kaunggoy, and I just wanna say, maraming mga kakilala ko na nagsasabi na, oh, sana all may body transformation, oh, sana all na lumalaki katawan, oh, sana all workout ganto, ganyan. Kung gusto niyo ma-achieve yung body transformation whatever na, oh, dream body ko ganto, ganyan, kaso ang dami kong kinakain. Kung gusto niyo ma-achieve yung dream body nyo, o ma-achieve yung body transformation na hinihingi nyo, here's my suggestion. Just bloody do it. Alright, just do it. Start at home, push-ups, sit-ups, whatever. Search kayo sa YouTube, search kayo sa internet, home workout, whatever. Bili kayo ng ganito kung kinakailangan. Bili kayo ng weights or kahit ano kung kinakailangan. Hingi kayo ng workout tips, no? Maraming mga online YouTube workout coaches dun sa YouTube and everywhere sa Facebook. Just bloody do it. Alright? Do it already.
Focused, my mind is
Di ba nakita mo yung montage na yun? Ayos ba?
Kaya lumalaki yung katawan mo.
Balita ko may gawa ka daw na na malupit na magandang montage.
Pre, meron siyempre.
Meron?
Meron.
Meron ba? Ipakita mo nga yung malupit na maganda mong montage dun.
Tinatawag na yung tinipid na montage, pre.
Ilang minuto yan?
Tay, 1 minuto, pero pinagtugtong lang lahat ng clips.
Tungkol sa naman sa yung montage na yan.
Ang montage na to ay tungkol sa mga water lily. Ay, hindi.
Gusto mo ipakita natin?
Pakita na natin, pre.
Pakita.
Anong kwento ng montage?
Pakita na natin.
Nagre-record na.
Putang ina. Alrighty! Welcome back mga kaunggoy to the vlog. Kakatapos lang ng workout montage. Pawis! And kakatapos na rin ang montage ni Rick J. Walang ilaw sa kanila. Brownout ba sa inyo, Goy?
Wait lang, pre. Magic ako, pre.
Ayun! What the fuck? Boy, ano klaseng katawan yan?
Quarantine body.
Quarantine body. So, ayan nga, kakatapos niya lang, nakita niya na yung montage na ginawa niya. Ako, hindi ko pa nakikita yung montage pero alam ko, nakita niya na. Kaya nakita niya na ako, hindi pa. Ang galing, di ba? Mas nauna pa kayo mapanood yung montage, Ang galing niyo talaga, no? Hindi ko pa napapanood, i-outro na natin mga kaunggoy. Ewan ko kung sana 10 minutes na sana tong vlog. Or I don't know. Any announcement, Rick G?
Marami pa akong ginagawang background music para hindi namin copyright. Di ba namin?
Yes, sir. Wala nang copyright. Operation no copyright na. Rick J, the background music creator of G Planet Squad there, ladies and gentlemen. Look at his face. Pasalamat ka, malabo yung camera ng cellphone kasi hindi kita yung pimples mo. Ayan, di ba? And that's all we can say. That is a vlog. And that's the bottom line. Because Manong Jaira said so. Soon, baka isama namin sa vlog yung iba naming members. Who knows? And
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And we're signing out. Sabihin mo, ikaw na. Basta yon, end screen na to. Nakikita nyo na yung mga kung ano-ano sa screen. Background music ni Rick G. Play na. Nice one, Rick G. Ayan. Comment of the day. Pipili pa ako. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung pwedeng comment of the day. Basta nandito na. Nagpapakita na yan. End screen na to. 20 seconds. Okay na yun. 20 seconds na yan. Shit.